Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to build a butterfly graph in Tableau. This is the best way to visualize our toxic health links, specifically how the pollution burden and asthma mirror each other in California. We want to move from raw numbers to a story that anyone can understand. Let's start from scratch. So first, we need a center spine for our butterfly. Go to the menu, click Analysis, and select Create Calculator field. We're going to name it as a 0 axis. So in the formula box, just type 0. That's it. So the 0 is as plus holder, so our county name have a home right in the middle of the chart. Click Apply and OK. So then, step 2, mapping the wings. Let's drag our variables. Drag asthma into the column shelf. Right next to it, drag the 0 axis field, then drag pollution burden to the right of the 0 axis. Finally, yes, we have to also drag pollution burden to the right of the 0 axis. And then drag California county into rows. Now you see the skeleton of our chart, asthma on the left, a blank space in the middle, and pollution on the right. So now let's drag California county to label, and then change to text. So as you can see here, the name's in the middle. Then right click and edit access on asthma. So and click reverse to creating the butterfly effect. And then we're gonna change the color of asthma bars to blue and the pollution to red. So then we edit the format for the name. So we're gonna change it to bold and 10. So we go again to click on the right on 0 axis and then edit axis. We just delete the title and we click no known on the tick marks. Okay. So now let's go to the first row. Right click on the first row and check the show header. Okay, that's good. It looks beautiful. So now we're gonna sort it from the highest to the lowest. And then we rename the sheet to asthma versus pollution. So we're gonna just edit the title to bold here to make it more readable for our sheet. And then as you can see here, we click on LA, but we see the tooltip, we have 0 axis. It's better to change the tooltip for all. We're gonna just delete the tooltip here for 0 axis, and we keep all other information beside the 0 axis. Okay, so now let's go to analysis. So as you can see here in LA, we have asthma impact is 126,003 and pollution burden is 121,656. These are the longest bars on our graph. They show that the most burdened area of California health risk follow pollution perfectly. So this butterfly isn't just a chart, it's a proof of public health crisis. So yeah, so now let's go to the next part of the video. Welcome back, everyone. So the first part of the video, we built the structure of our butterfly chart. So now I'm going to show you how to turn that chart into a tornado graph. Why they look similar, a tornado graph is specifically designed to show rank and priority. We want to see which California counties are the absolute top of the toxic cocktail list. So the first step is right-click on zero axis and we click on dual axis. As you can see, it's a mixed. So we're gonna go to marks and change from multiple to bars. So, and then we're gonna go to zero axis and we click on synchronize axis. Right-click edit axis. We custom to fix start from 0 and automatic, and tick marks has to be automatics both. And then we're gonna go to the 0 axis and drag it next to pollution to have another 0 axis on the right side. And then right click, synchronize and dual axis. I'm gonna do the same as we did for the first one. And then we go to 0 axis. We drag California County to label to see the names of the counties. And don't forget to change the from like a bar to text. That's really important. So just change it to text to see the names in the middle, as well as the second one also we change it to text. Okay, we're gonna go back to 0 axis and we click on edit axis, right click, and we're gonna custom first start from 0, and then the fixed end is going to be automatic. Tick marks has to be automatic both. Cool. So now we're gonna just try to sort it. They already sorted, but we just check if it's sorted from the highest to the lowest. We're gonna change the 0 axis color as the same as the first one with orange color. So then we're gonna do some editing, like we're gonna hide the header, and also as you can see, so LA has the highest burden of pollution and asthma. We're gonna fix the tooltip. We're gonna just delete the 0 axis and keep all the information beside the 0 axis. Like I said before, it makes more readable for our data analysis for each county of California. And this is how tornado graph looks like. So this is for today's video. We did like the butterfly chart and the tornado chart. So happy analysis and see you next video.